Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Adventure of the Seas. Now this particular category is a junior suite. It's a J4 category. Most of them are midship, just like this one here. Let me show you what it's all about. Now, one of the reasons you pick this particular category is extra space, especially compared to a balcony. And you can see right away that it opens up quite a bit more than you're gonna find in the other room categories that are below this. So let's start in the bathroom. We head right on in here from the door. You can see the first big difference between a balcony and a junior suite is the fact that you have a bathtub. Now I'm 6'6", and because it's a little bit raised up, I can't quite fit in here. So somebody I think 6'4" or below would be able to, but you've got the shower wand, you also have the full tub. But I do choose this room quite often for my family because having a bathtub is such a critical thing. And really, I can work my way around it. It's what I've done my whole life. It's not really that big of a deal. You've got the toilet tucked around in the corner there. You've got the sink and there's storage up here. So both sides, you're gonna have a little bit of storage. And another little thing is the upgraded decor. So you can see the wall decor is a little bit different as well from those balconies. Now I wanted to point out on the door, you're gonna have this magnet, so sleeping off the Adventure, so this is the do not disturb side, or please make up my room. So you just put that right outside in the evening or in the morning when you head out. They also have the breakfast menus in here. You're gonna be able to take advantage of that, so you can have your breakfast delivered at a specific time. Maybe you're doing a shore excursion. I find it really great for that. Now another feature where you're gonna find quite a bit more space is the walk-in closet. So what you're gonna find here is you've got your robes. This is one of those upgraded amenities that you're gonna take advantage of, but you have a ton more storage space. So there's storage all the way up and down here. These racks do pull down so you can have more hanging storage all the way along as well. Let's head on out, and just across the way, you do have a large mirror, a little bit of storage underneath. I love this particular spot. I always put my card right there because I tend to leave my card time to time in the room. And then you also have that full length mirror so you can check yourself out as you head out the door. Now, as we walk back into the space, you can see how it really opens up. So on this side, you're gonna have storage all the way up and down here. So you've got shelves up and down. You're gonna have all kinds of drawers on both sides. The hair dryer's right in there for point of reference. You have a Euro plug on this side and 2 US plugs on the other side. I always bring extra adapters, and I also bring a battery backup so that I can charge wherever I am on the ship. Now these do light up, so they're backlit, and a little bit of storage on the sides. You've got more storage up above and then down below here as well. As we continue along, you kind of have a second writing desk here. Over there's probably more to get ready. You've got your Lavazza coffee maker. I love that they have that partnership. I always start my day at home with an Italian coffee, so love to do that here as well. You've got your mini fridge underneath, a little bit of storage here, and then you're gonna have your safe just below. So it's big enough for passports, personal belongings, not quite big enough for a laptop. And then as we continue through the room, let's point out the bed. So this is what they call the Royal King configuration. It does separate apart so that you can have, in this particular case, you can have 2 twin beds. They would put those together, the nightstands together in the middle to have that separation. You're gonna have reading lights on both sides. What is not there though are plugs. Once again, I always bring my backup battery. That way I can charge my phone at night. So I charge it over here during the day, swap it over for the evening. You've got 2 chairs to sit right here, and you also have a sofa bed as well. Now I did want to point out, if you do put 4 passengers in here, that would be 2 on the bed there, so that'll pull out, and you can put 2 here as well. These do not have the pull down beds. And what I actually usually do is we have a small inflatable bed that I'll bring quite often because my daughter absolutely loves it. So you can kind of mix and match as you like. So now I'll step out onto the balcony. Because this is a junior suite, it's about twice as wide as what you're gonna find in a standard balcony. You've got 1 chair over here, you've got 2 chairs and a table. This is that perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee in the morning, cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, or if you're taking advantage of the room service menu. Now what you'll notice on Adventure, Explorer, and Voyager, you have a lot more of these cutouts, whereas on the Navigator and the Mariner, they pop out just a little bit more. So an evolution in ship design. It's never really bothered me at all. I can see exactly what I'm looking for, which is the beautiful ocean out in front of me. Now, when you're ready to book your next Royal Caribbean cruise, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your Royal Caribbean experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Royal Caribbean Cruises, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value.